Are you wasting your time in these tasks in PTE Academic Test? If you are, save this video and make sure you follow my suggestions. There are 6 tasks in PT where you should not waste your time at all. And all 6 tasks are multiple choice questions in reading and listening. There are 2 tasks in reading for multiple choice questions, which are respectively multiple choice choose multiple answers and multiple choice choose single answers. If you follow my advice, the best time management would be 30 seconds per question, maximum time. Again, I'm saying 30 seconds per question, maximum time. Don't be afraid if you read the PT scorecard which says there is partial negative marking and multiple choice choose multiple answers. For the right answer, you get +1. For the wrong answer, you get -1. But the minimum is capped at 0. So let's say you choose just one answer and even that's wrong, you still get a 0. You don't get -1. Now, multiple choice choose single answers is the last task in reading. You get 1 or 2 questions. Even if you skip those questions, it won't make any difference to your scores, to be honest. So don't worry about it at all, okay? Now coming to listening. There are 4 tasks in listening which are again multiple choice questions. All of these are there to just waste our time. The first is multiple choice choose multiple answers, which is the second task of listening. My tip is as soon as the audio ends, be ready with your answer selection. Choose only one option. Don't choose multiple answers and click next. As soon as the audio ends, you have to click next. The second is highlight correct summary. This task is like mid priority, but eventually is going to waste your time. It's integrated with reading and listening. You listen to a lecture, like a summary audio, and you have to choose the best summary which relates to the lecture. My tip is match the beginning and the last part of the options. The one which matches generally, not always, but generally is the right answer. It will help you save a lot of time. The next task is multiple choice choose single answer. You listen to the audio with your best capacity, your best concentration efforts. As soon as the audio ends, match any one option which is the right answer according to you and move on. The last multiple choice task in listening is it's select missing word. It's also called the beep task. At the end of the audio, suddenly the audio will be muted. You'll hear a beep. The beep is a replacement of the actual answer which is given in the option. So basically it's like fill in the blank at the end, replace it with the beep. Again, it's a very low weight task. Now purposely what PT might do is it might make these audio tasks very lengthy and you can't even click next until the audio ends. The second thing which PT does is instead of an audio, it could give you a video to distract you. Don't be distracted. Just focus. It's a listening test. You don't need to read. You don't need to see the screen. You need to listen and understand the audio. Hope you like the video. If you're looking for more such tips and tricks which will help you with your time management skills in PT, make sure you call us. We provide personal one-to-one classes and also group classes for PT, IELTS and NAATI CCL in 7 languages. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. Good luck.